The Ultimate Day Trading Guide, full training chapters, and other comprehensive guides. These videos are not part of the app itself. They are external educational content from creators unaffiliated with the app or its developer. So if someone mentioned a long video in the context of the app, they might be referring to external YouTube tutorials, not built-in app content. How to download the Day Trading Academy app for Android, Google Play Store. 1. Open the Google Play Store on your device. 2. Search for Day Trading Simulator and Games or Day Trading Academy by Kovacs. 3. Tap Install. The app is free with optional in-app features. 4. After installation, open the app to begin. No video file download is necessary. For iPhone or iPad, iOS App Store. 1. Open the App Store. 2. Search for Day Trading Simulator and Games by Kovacs. 3. Tap Get to download and install, free with in-app options. 4. Launch the app and start exploring lessons and features. How to find a long tutorial video, if that's what you want. If you're looking for a longer, more in-depth tutorial on how to use this app or trading simulators, search YouTube for tutorials such as The Ultimate Day Trading Guide, Full Training. Covers technical analysis, trading setups, stock picking, etc. Trading Simulator Crash Course, Ultimate Guide. Walks through simulator usage steps and strategies. While these videos don't belong to the app, they can supplement your learning with detailed walkthroughs. Summary: what you're looking for. Where it is. App features and learning lessons. Inside the Day Trading Simulator and Games app by Kovacs. A long video tutorial about the app YouTube. Search for simulator walkthroughs or guides. Getting started. Download the app via Google Play or App Store as instructed above. Explore built-in lessons, quizzes, pattern hunter, and simulated trading sessions. If you want video tutorials, head to YouTube and search for simulator training guides. Let me know if you'd like specific video recommendations or help navigating within the app.